Hello everybody, it's Mr. Ruggles, and this is a video to show you how to complete the Unit 5.17 PowerPoint assignment. Alright, keep in mind that when you are completing the assignment that you do need to complete this project in PowerPoint. If you don't have PowerPoint, you can use Google Slides. Apache presentation would also be acceptable, but it does need to be turned in and saved as a PowerPoint program with the extension of PPT. That way I can open it and grade your formatting and things that you've created. Okay, anything from Apple programs or a PDF can't be graded. So we've gone over how to access these programs. If you don't currently have them on your computer, you can reach out to me and ask me again if you need help with that. All right, so the 5.7 hobby assignment, I'm going to go ahead and read from the top. In this assignment, you will generate a presentation for a hobby of your choice. It could be something about music or art or writing or crafts, really anything. We went over this last class. As long as it's an appropriate topic, just anything that you enjoy or like doing, make sure your hobby is appropriate for this course. Create this presentation as if you were going to present it to your classmates. You should attend this live computer literacy class or watch the recording, which you are. I appreciate that, before starting your assignment. So looks like total score is 40 points. Step number 1, just going to review these super fast. Create a new presentation, save it like we usually do, put it in your Unit 5 folder, save it with your last name, first initial, student ID. You can see the example there. That's step number 1. Please save it like that. And then starting your presentation should contain the following elements. Number 1, a title slide, okay, with your name and hobby with your name on it. I'm going to show you guys examples of each of these slides so you get a visual perspective of what it's supposed to look like as well. Okay, number 2, one slide. So number 1 is one slide, right? A title slide. Number 2 is another slide describing your hobby. It should contain at least 2 facts. So you're going to have at least 2 sentences. Okay, I'll show you again. I'll show you what that's going to look like. Number 3, another slide listing why you like your hobby using a numbered or bulleted format. A numbered or bulleted format. Okay, use your formatting there. Number 5, format the text using the guidelines below. Okay, and you'll get some instruction below here. Number 5, which will be your 4th slide, create a collage of different shapes, lines, and text that graphically represent your hobby. Please note that this does not say to import a bunch of pictures that you like from the internet. It says create a collage from different shapes, lines, and text that graphically represent your hobby. These are all tools that you use within PowerPoint. Okay. So number 6 says, for example, if your hobby is music, you can place a shape in the middle of it with the width of the slide. Place a shape in the middle of the slide with the word music on it, and then you could then draw arrows and lines to it and other graphics pointing to the shape with the names of music genres that you like. Okay. Do note, and I'm going to highlight this at the bottom. This should be, it said number 4 says format the text using the guidelines below. This is what it's talking about right here. Use at least 8 different auto shapes, objects, and shapes from the PowerPoint, and use at least 6 colors, and that's for your collage. Okay, you must have at least 1 arrow. I should back up. This is all about your collage. You must have at least 1 arrow and at least 1 auto shape. Do not use more than 1 imported image. You can use 1 imported image, and I'm totally cool with that because that will help you guys out, and it's fun. But 1 imported image, the rest have to be auto shapes, lines, things you create from PowerPoint. The objective of this assignment is to use the tools of PowerPoint, not to import pictures. Okay. And at the end, I said, again, watch the recording of how to do this so you know what it looks like. I don't have, it looks like I've removed a lot of the formatting text, so that's probably not going to be in play. So let me show you some examples of what this should look like. Okay, you're going to have 4 total slides. So your title page, the the title and 2 facts about your hobby. And then your title and 2 bullet point facts. It's actually 5, right? 5 bullet point facts or numbered facts. Make sure you use the formatting to get the bulleted or numbered list in there. And then you have your collage, which will be the 4th slide. Okay, let's take a look at some examples. So let's just say video games is going to be your example. Your title page could look like this. Now, you're not going to be graded on artistic value. It's just going to be about formatting and using the tools of PowerPoint. So in the first slide, you're going to have a title and your name. The second slide, you're going to have the title, and then two reasons why you like your hobby. So first one, my favorite hobby is playing video games. I play video games on my Xbox. Oh, 2 facts, that's why. 2 facts of your hobby. Okay, I play video games on my Xbox One. I like to play Resident Evil, BioShock, and Skate 3. I also like playing Super Mario Brothers. So they put more than 2 facts in here. That's totally fine. Okay, but keep it short and simple. Slide number 3, you need 5 bulleted points or numbered points of facts about your hobby. I like playing video games because they're fun. I like playing video games because I'm good at them, and then so on. So you just have 5 of those. But make sure these are actual bullet points or numbered, not type numbered, but they're actually formatted. Okay, then your 4th slide is going to be your collage. Notice that there's only 1 imported image, and that's cool. And then everything else, like the arrows, the text, the little design thingies, they're all created from PowerPoint. Okay, you have the title still, but look at those tools. So it should look something like that. I mean, you can make it look anything you want. Just use PowerPoint tools to create it. Okay, here's one more example. Just to look at, here's the title slide. Baseball by Mr. Ruggles. If you want to make it fancier, include some of these frame formats, you can. You don't have to. So that's title slide 1. Second slide is 2 facts about my hobby. So I have my 2 facts. It's a really bad color. 2 facts. 1 fact, 2 facts. Baseball is considered an American pastime and has been played for over 150 years. There are 32 professional teams that make up the Major League Baseball organization in the United States. Okay, slide 2. Slide 3, my 5 bullet points of why I like my hobby. Okay, I like playing it when I was a kid. I like playing baseball with my kids. I like learning the strategies of baseball. I love going to baseball games and stadiums. The 1988 World Series is my favorite World Series to watch. Okay, and then lastly, my collage. I imported a baseball, and I used arrows and created boxes and put my teams in the right colors, and those kind of things. Okay. I think it says use at least 6 colors or 8 colors and use arrows and all that stuff. So just follow those instructions. Okay. It doesn't get any harder to that. Your presentation should look very similar to this as far as only 4 slides. All the basic, the 4 elements, just create it in the same format and then use your own creativity to design it how you want. Go ahead and skip those. Okay, this assignment, 5.17, is due on Thursday, November 16th, just before we head out for Thanksgiving break. So keep in mind we have Friday the 17th off and all of the next week and the following Monday. A lot of time off, so if you're behind, a good chance to catch up. All right, that's it. Have a great rest of your week. Have a great Thanksgiving break. If you have any questions or need any help on doing this, please let me know. If you're not sure how to use the tools of PowerPoint, make sure you have completed your lessons. That's where you're learning them. Have a great day, everybody.